Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the skin, clean, moisturized, and lightly primed if you want extra hold. Then, pick the NYX color corrector stick based on undertone. Green reduces redness, peach cancels blue-purple under-eye shadows. Once chosen, swipe a small amount where needed. Why? Because concentrated pigment corrects before concealing. Make sure to test quickly on your jawline or wrist to confirm blendability and color mix with your foundation. Now you move into the core technique. Place thin lines or tiny dots of the stick directly on the spot, under the eye, around the nose, or on blemishes. Use your ring finger for warmth, a damp sponge for sheer finish, or a flat brush for precision. Each tool changes coverage and texture. Once done, blend outward gently to diffuse edges and make sure to build coverage slowly. Layering lets you control opacity without creating cakey, heavy patches. Finish by setting the corrected zones. Pat a light dusting of translucent or matching powder with a puff to lock pigment and prevent transfer. Then, apply foundation or concealer sparingly. Dab, don't drag, so the correction peeks through naturally. If you notice patchiness or cake, rehydrate the area with a mist or tiny dab of moisturizer, then reblend with a sponge. Alternatively, remove excess product with a clean brush and reapply a thinner layer to restore a seamless finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.